So if you're facing this problem, this is what you have to do. Just follow this video step by step, and I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem. First of all, go to your phone menu and scroll to the M section. Scroll down to the M section, and you're going to see this, which is the messages app. So use your finger to tap on it for some while. Now tap on this app info over here. Then after that, you're going to see notification over here, so tap on it and make sure this is turned on. If it is on, you just have to turn it off and turn it on back again. It's going to refresh it. Then after that, you tap on the back button. Then after that, you tap on this permission. Then you have to make sure under allowed, every option over here is under allowed and not under not denied. You don't have to make sure this is under here. Do you get me? It's very important to put all these options under allowed. Then after that, you just have to tap on the back section. Now you're going to see full stop over here, so tap on it. Then you tap on OK when this pop up. Now you're going to see this and this, so just tap on the storage and cache. Then you tap on the collect cache over here, tap on back section, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on like this. So after doing this, you just have to tap on the back section. Last, what you have to do is to make sure you have the latest update by going to Google Play Store or App Store to update the messages app. After updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Then you're going to see these two options, power off and restart. Just try to select the restart button. Other device, you're going to see reboot. It's all the same. Just tap on it and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.